Ketenat Urban Affairs jong Sorkar Jela menta kalapan kre ya kaplan batamai ban kemi hi ya ki jing pentaba jing shai ya ki surok ladi ki street light hakalang kanong ba shalong bat kum ju ban weng no ya ki waya ki bas dien renjan ha ki post electric usembut menteri rang ba ka jela uba kemi ya ketenat penroi sor uba sngau phalang dhar ula ong ba ka sorkar kadang tre ya kakam ha ka ba kanu ketenat kan kemi ya kakam ka ba kumnu ban penkut ya ka jing kulmar jing mun ha ka ban kemi bat ban pet ya kakam ulaya tu ba menta kila dan ha kakam ban ya chakman bat bai ki street light hakalang ki jaka an sakmi da ka municipal board uang ru ba ketenat boarding bat ka smart city ru kin sakhim kya ya ka jing terwa laya tu ba ya ka detail project report na ka benta ka project ban bu iki street light ka dei ka bala dep kumta menta ka tenat kala penlong ya ki jing ya lang bat ki rang ba shnong ban yo iki jaka ki badon kam ha ha ka wat ka baningkong hagaju kapor usembut menteri rangba ula kran ru halor ka jingtmu ka sorkar ban penkhut ya ki wayar kibel ki banno renjiu renjau hasor shillong.
The job we had decided, so all the street lighting from now on will be maintained by the municipal board in some areas, and mainly since you are talking about the street light, there is some part maintenance and proposed by the power department, and there is some part by the smart steaming under the municipal board. So we are yet to finalize where to. The project is now DPR is prepared. Even you know very well. So there is meeting from time to time between all the headmen of the Shillong agglomerations, and they are submit the proposals requesting the government to put some of the important places. And now we are working out where to put for the first phase. But we have decided one thing. So from now maybe it might not really remember. Almost all these important areas it will be put by the municipal board and will be maintained by this municipal board also. And yes, obviously there is some areas which has been maintained and put by the power department. That's why, because there is confusion before, so now we have come to conclusion there will be no more confusions. We always specify the area whom to look, which department, whether municipal or power department. YRSU is very correct mentioned by you. This is also has been initiated by the urban department, and CM has announced very clearly, and he has inspected himself by our chief minister. So we will try to focus on this all the important areas where there is so much open wiring is there. So we'll try to put it in the right place and nicely. At least our city will be look neat and clean.